guess what came in, guys? Alright guys, so I'm pretty excited for this. Kies Motorsports, thank you so much for sending me this. I have no idea what's in it. Kies and I are partnering up with my 440i Grand Coupe, so I'm so excited because there's a ton of parts coming to the channel. So guys, make sure you subscribe, and if you have a 4 Series, hit that bell notification because guys, I'm going to be building my 440i and I'm pretty excited. So let's open up this box. Let's do this. So I think there is a thing. I gotta be very careful because I did order some carbon parts, so I definitely don't want to scratch it with this. Alright guys, so let's check it out. Let's see what they sent me. Okay, so... Okay, this is cool. So right off the back, it's obviously something for either the front or the back of the car, right? All right guys, sorry, my camera was getting funked out. I had to switch cameras. So anyways, let's get to the unboxing. So, obviously carbon fiber. Guys. Oh my, I gotta be very careful. Holy heck. This is gonna change the entire look of my car. Hey babe. Sorry, the wife had a call. But guys, this is a beautiful piece of carbon. Whew. Guys, just this. Now this is carbon fiber, my friends. Oh my God. Let's do a proper video. Unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification because this part is going to get installed ASAP. So thank you so much, Kies Motorsports, for sending me this front lip. It looks phenomenal. The carbon fiber is just mint. I mean, my God, I think this is like my first actual, I mean, I had a spoiler on my F30, but this is like legit. It's going in the front of my car. I have to be careful how I drive. Guys, I'm excited. So I'm gonna wrap it back up and put it in the box so I can take care of it and not let it get scratched. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week.